Hi, my name is Joseph Mayer, and we're going to analyze mass media and pop culture. The magazine that I took a look at was Men's Health, and the characteristics of the ads included finances, via alcohol, and their main focus was focusing on the fitness conscious individual, the financially conscious individual, and then masculine individuals, yet loving as well. So here's some pictures of the ads that were in the magazine. We're going to break down. So first we have hygiene. So the product is looking at fresh breath. And the message on the right is that you're going to do more for yourself, that you deserve it. Do more for you. The one on the left is all about confidence. So the tagline there is grab confidence by the pack. Well, it's kind of like grab life by the horns. So you're going to get out there. If you grab this gum, you're going to be able to shine, like the bottom says, time to shine. And the sociological concept here is that it's a norm for our society to be hygienic. Further in health and hygiene, you have a product for vision. So these are contacts. What you can't see behind my head there is that it says lose your readers. All right, so this is targeting an older group of individuals. People that are younger usually don't need glasses, but these here readers, as you age, your eyes age, and it's harder for you. So it says that the message here is look younger, right? Because you're getting rid of your glasses, and then also convenience, as you can see on the last little line, is life without the hassle of readers. So it's saying convenient. It's more convenient. I don't know where my glasses are today. And the sociological concept would be group. So you're targeting a group of older individuals. Another hygiene product was a body odor eliminator, so deodorant. The message here is that military are heroes, that they are masculine, but you also have this guy who is hugging his daughter, so he's loving. And every hero sweats, but some just never show it. He's saying he's calm, cool, and collected even when the heat is on. Sociological concepts here is that you have role intersection between his instrumental role as a provider and then his expressive role as a father. You can see he's hugging on his daughter, yet we're portrayed to that he works for protecting his family, his country, and so he's also financial support. Speaking of financial, next product is a money management, and the message is that it's the best. So one of the best rates in America, as you can see in the back, saying everyone's the best, so they kind of play on your heartstrings that way. Also says you work hard to save your money, so it's giving the idea that men work hard. There's convenience. The last little line there says stop by a location or go online today, so that is a convenience factor. So the sociological concepts here would be a target class. Typically your underclass are not going to have extra money to save, so it's not targeting them. It's probably targeting more the blue collar or white collar individuals who are able to have some extra money to save on the side. So that also is targeting a socioeconomic status, the underclass or middle class. It does overcome the digital divide, as it says, the convenience, stop by a location or go online. So digital divide would be something where people did not have access to a computer or the ability to get online, so they make it convenient for you to be able to stop by a location. Next one is insurance. So you have a little bit of finance product there. The tagline says it's an easy choice, but the message in it is saying, well, a woman cannot make an easy choice, but a man probably would be able just to say, hey, yeah, let's do this. So that's what's portrayed in this. And again, this is a men's magazine, so a woman's magazine might have a different portrayal of this picture. And then so your sociological role identity, the woman's making the choice as to what decorative color is going to be in their house or on their house, where the man is probably just along for the ride until he gets home, and then he's going to slap the paint on the wall. So that would be role identity for the two of them. The vehicles that were in the magazine, so these are the two. You have the product is transportation. The bottom one there, it's showing that it's fast. It's blurred in the back. The tagline says, just looking at it increases your heart rate. So it tries to excite you, tries to get you, it's elegant with the color and sparkle. The one on the right there is economical, right? It's powerful, but it's a hybrid. So, so it means it's environmentally conscious, being a hybrid. So it's targeting individuals in a group that are more concerned with the environment. And these are going to be most likely going to be older individuals, maybe late 20s, early 30s. Kids, they have kids. Kids have sports. Grocery store trips are a common practice. So the sociological concepts are class. Again, the underclass are probably excluded from these. They're not going to be able to afford a brand new car. So it's targeting more of your blue collar or white collar individuals who have some money or some credit to be able to finance this vehicle and make payments monthly. So your group is people who have maybe go outdoors to off road a little bit. The SUV gives that appeal that, well, you can put your kids in, feel comfortable, and all their sports equipment's going to fit. So that would be the group and the subculture. Our culture is that everybody uses a vehicle. The subculture is that going to be specific for certain individuals. Beverage choices, they were all alcoholic products, but the message here is that it's health conscious. So you have low sugar on the Corona, but so you have high expectations. So just because you have low, as in the tagline, you're not lowering your expectations for either the taste or how you're going to approach life, that you're still going to get out there and expectations for the product and for yourself. The top right, it says at the bottom, every bit is earned. So it's saying that, hey, you work hard, so you have some whiskey. The Henry's there on the bottom again is low calorie and no sugars or zero sugars, so it's health conscious individuals. What you can't see at the bottom, it says drink. It says celebrate responsibly. So anytime that we open this, we're not just enjoying a drink. We're celebrating when we have this drink in our hand. And the sociological concept again is certain groups. So you have one would be your health conscious individuals, looking at some low calorie, low carb options, and then your other group would be who actually consume products. Last one is product. So it's charcoal, and the message is we're here to party. So the tagline says nobody has ever said come on over, bring up the oven. That means nobody cooks a casserole and parties over it, is what they're trying to say. Saying, hey, let's go and let's get together, let's have a group of friends together. The target group typically would be men in this. Charcoal men usually have been portrayed to on the barbecue, maybe potato salad. But now you've kind of having a woman there with tongs, so she's active role in barbecuing the gentleman here. And then you have multicultural focus because you have a white man and a black woman there. So this is targeted to everybody. Your sociological group and subculture. Everybody's in our culture, but maybe it's vegan. Those kebabs are just vegetable kebabs, so that in our culture. And then a group, so you have a group of individuals that are coming together that obviously are friends and they're celebrating together. So sociological concepts covered. You have normal healthy choices. Hygiene is a norm in our society, yet diet a norm for some individuals. So that's part of the subculture, and that would be the next one with health conscious individuals. Looking glass self is the self of our perception of others, evaluations and appraisals of us. So they target us. You drive this car, you're going to be a certain class. You're going to be a certain level of person in our society. And same with the other choices. What deodorant you wear. Social, so group is your health conscious individuals. Social influence, ads attempt to influence the decision of the consumer, right? Socioeconomic status. So most of these ads were focused on the middle class or upper lower class, or just not the underclass. And it's like interactionism. So different classes have different opportunities. Well, you either drive a car, you have to save, and if you have a car, you need insurance, so that's active there. Then you have the digital divide was covered in the Capital One. Race, it doesn't differentiate based on race throughout the products. It actually kind of brings all the races. The sex is more of a men's magazine, so it's aimed at men. The instrumental role, so you have the financial provider, that's Capital One. You have the men, on that. Expressive role, you have emotional support provider, and that was the Gillette. So it was the intersection of the instrumental and expressive role, and then the language. So certain words convey a message, like be confident, go grab life, go have high expectations for yourself. And here's my references. Thank you for listening.